here today to show you how I wash my face and take all of this makeup off. I get questions all the time as a makeup artist. How do you keep your skin looking so good when you wear makeup almost every day, or you do sometimes heavier makeup or lighter makeup? And my thing is I do a double cleanse, and then they're like, what's a double cleanse? So this is what a double cleanse is. You basically use two cleansers. I like to use this one by Clinique. It is called Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And this is my first step in cleaning. This I put all over my face, and then I clean it off with a wet washcloth. But first, take off your lashes. So you get a little bit of this balm. A little bit goes a long way. Looks kind of waxy, but it's very soft. And then you just go to town on your face. Okay, so I got it all over my face. I'm looking really greasy and weird. Now you get your wet washcloth and wipe it all off. All right, so that was the first cleanse. The next cleanse, I like to go in with a good oil cleanser. The one I'm gonna be using today is by Bare Minerals. I'm almost done with this bottle. I love this one. Another one that I love is by Tata Harper, but it's a little pricier, so I don't use that one that much. And then I also really like this Origins one, which is on a better price point as well. So this one is by Bare Minerals. You wanna get it in your eyes and everything, and then make sure that you get all that eye makeup off. Okay, I got the oil all over my face. Then I get another cleansing cloth that's been wet, washcloth actually, that's been wet, and I just wipe it off. That's it. Now I'm gonna follow up with my skincare products. So I've been loving this spray by Lindstrom. It's called the Jasmine Garden. It smells divine. So I like to use this at night before I sleep. It smells so good. It smells like jasmine, obviously, and chocolate and other things. It's so good. Then the next thing I like to do is I follow with an oil. You could either use an oil or a serum, whatever you like. I've been loving this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular oil. Get a few drops of it and rub it into your face. I've been loving this eye cream by Kiehl's. It's called Youth Dose Eye Cream, and it has retinol and grapeseed extract and vitamin C. And vitamin C is good for dark circles. So I put this on under my eye and just pat it in. So that's in. And the last thing I do is I follow with some kind of a night cream. I've been really loving overnight sleeping masks lately because you wake up looking amazing. So two of the night masks that I've been really liking, this one's by Fresh. It is a firming overnight mask, and then I actually layer it with this Origins Mega Bright mask. And that's supposed to help with some of my little dark spots and stuff that I've been battling. I mix a little bit of both of them in my hand. And then I just rub it on my face, skip my neck, pat it in. And I'm ready for bed. So that's how I wash my face, double cleanse, get all that makeup off. On days that you don't wear any makeup, you don't need a double cleanse. I would just go in with the oil cleanser. But when you do wear makeup, or even just to wash the pollution off from the day, double cleansing is best. I hope you liked my video, and I will see you next time.